Well, this is unexpected. So this cube was a part of a giveaway that I won in Cyoubx's friends on Facebook. So I think the post was like it was basically Cyoubx asking people in the group to post like their best hot takes or unpopular opinions, and somehow I won. And yeah, this cube was sent to me as the prize. So this cube apparently is like really good, and it's been overshadowed by like the other Moe cube that was released. So I think it was like the MF3RS 2020 or something like that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to like seeing how this puzzle performs. Okay, so let's see. This cube comes with like this stand thing. I'm probably gonna use this to like put my cubes on, like when I go to college or something. Of course, there's this. Nowadays, all cubes come with like an accessory box, which I presume contains like springs and spare parts or something. Oh, okay then. It's I guess just a screwdriver that I have like 10 of, and classic. Wait, is that Cyoubx? Whoa, I haven't seen him in a while. Okay. Whoa, what the heck? This is. Oh wait, oh, I forgot to tell them to take off the logo. Oh. Well, it wasn't me who ordered it, but so obviously this has to go for multi-blind and for blind. You know, this might be my blind main, but um, okay. Damn it. Okay, so I guess since the center cap is off, we can like look at the side. Okay, so it's like this four-part thing connected to a central cylinder, and yeah, it's just your standard core situation. What the heck? This is actually really tight. You can barely take apart the pieces. Well, yeah, this is yeah. So as Cyoubx mentioned in his video, it has like a matte plastic finish to the surface, and I personally don't mind it. I think like it really does matter how the plastic feels. Yeah, the magnets are like the perfect strength. It's like definitely on the weaker side, but it's like still obviously enough to hinder like overshooting. I'm surprised it can do 45 with this tight tensions. Yeah, it seems to be much more stable than my current main, which is the so I used to main the Tangyun V2 for quite some time, but like honestly I just find it like way too unstable. You can like barely do like I think I was trying to practice doing the what was I doing? I was like doing some comms really fast, I guess, and it just wasn't able to keep up with my turning. It kept like locking up, and it was hard to control. So I went back to the what was it the Meilong worm. But I think this is at the very least like the plastic is a bit more like hard, I guess, because like the Meilong worm, it's like very soft and malleable plastic. And this feels like it's much more stiffer, but not stiffer as in like the turning, but I guess like the tactile feel between the plastic, the pieces. Okay. Oh, come on, I messed up the cross. That was really bad. So far, I'm like pretty surprised at how it performs out of the box. Okay, thanks for watching.